Welcome to Learn with Cynthia. In today's video, we are going to be working on addition and subtractions of one-step equations. So I want us to pay attention. The goal is to get the variable alone by using the inverse operation. So for example 1, we're asked to work on x minus 23 equals 8. So how do we achieve this? Remember, we are doing the inverse operations. So we have minus 23. So minus 23 is going to become plus 23. And then whatever we do to this side of the equation, we do the same to the other side of the equation. So here is going to be plus 23. So 23 cancel out 23. And then x is going to be 8 plus 23 is 31. So x is equals to 31. So in order to check your answer, always check your answers to be sure you have a correct answer. So it's going to be 31 because x is now 31. 31 take away 23 is going to be 8. So we have the correct answer. So looking at example 2, y plus 7 equals 12. So remember that we are doing the inverse operation. Whatever we do to this first side, we do to the other side of the equation. So 7 cancel out 7, then y is equals to 12 minus 7 is 5. So y is now 5. In order to check we have a right answer, 5 plus 7 is 12. So that means we have a right answer. So I wanted to work on the next example. Make sure you have a right answer. So let's do that together here. So we have 10 equal x plus 3. So in order to isolate or in order to get x as an answer, remember that we are doing the inverse operation. So for here, this part of the equation, we have plus 3. So we have to be minus 3 minus 3. So 3 here cancel out this 3 here. 10 minus 3 is 7. So that means x is equals to x. So we can say x is equals to 7. So how do we check our answer? 10 is equals to 7 plus 3. And that's correct. So moving on to the last example, we have x minus 5 equals 2. So we want to know what x is. So we have to do the inverse operation. Plus 5 plus 5. So it's going to be 5 cancel out this 5. So x is going to be 2 plus 5 is 7. Remember, always check your answer. So now x is 7. 7 take away 5 is 2. So we are correct. Now this can be done mentally, but it's also important that you learn the step just in case you move to the higher level of working on equations. I'm sure we now understand how to solve one-step equation. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm sure you enjoyed your time here. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment for us on this section, and I will see you in our next class. Bye.